everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Sheena. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. Wagwan, how to do how things. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads. As the ads is what helps us to gain a revenue. All right, so remember for watch the ads. Remember, don't skip it. You understand? Yeah. If it is too long, just spare a minute or two. It will be highly appreciated by Chin, Self, or Agnes. Just a minute or two, and we'll go to. So if you can't spare that, just do the do. And big up to all of the people them who always show them support to the channel. On a do what on a no say, on a supposed to do without Chin even have to remind you. Because I'll not come out and remind on a no say we are gonna do that for the girl. Yeah, cause we are support the girl. So big up to people like those. Alright, so make we get down in another video right about now. So for all those who concerned about Agnes, Agnes is good, my loves. Agnes is good. And despite the fact that on know say Agnes in vegan me this time, Agnes tell Chin say come we go through shortcut. Agnes tell Chin say make we go over to Nation Yard. And never me did I go about my business and Agnes force me. You understand? Make we go get encounter with Dopey over there when me end up have to run left her. And me see uno in the comment section and blame me same way. Anyway, Agnes good. We could have find her. I'm gonna put out a missing report, my loves, yes. And our church sister Peggy reach out to me and tell me say she done our church. Yeah, pastor them a pray for her and the prayer warrior them a pray for her and a be there done with consecrated olive oil, my love. So Agnes is good. So no need to worry. Agnes is good. All right, now, my love. So me never got there yard to go fast in them business. Let me get that clear, my love. Me never got nobody yard to go fast in them business. I check, make off a check up and me see one and two liquor thing. I don't know. So when I see the things them, I don't know come content because I don't know. So me trust no like that. I don't know. I go back go say me say. You understand, my love? So this is between me and Uno. Uno have to come close, I know, because that story, my loves, anybody will get entangled in it, get cussed out, baba. So Uno come closer, make me whisper, Kabush, have ears, my love, and walls, have eyes. I don't want nobody to pass by and hear me and go back, go say me dear, to make me get dog out, out of the no say, China, no look, you understand, my loves? No. What a backside I keep out here with, they Mr. Omar and Mr. Kemar, my loves. Me say, with your children, one piece of sinting, Mr. Majesty, Mr. Omar, Mr. Kemar, Miss 13, and the other one went Hakim. Miss Semi love so. Of lately, you understand, we see now where the Mr. Omar man him been a come out frequently. For one of the time now, me loves we never hear nothing from him. You understand? We never hear a thing about him. So me I wonder if he's still there about me loves because you don't understand. Say he may move on. You understand? Yes, he move on because him said the Lord was calling him and him want a family and him find this girl now and them move on and move in together. I left Mr. Kemar out here ball down the place well stressed out and something me loves. So when they really hear much about him until one of them day, you know, me day when me see him, and I put out some, sad thing. But me na wonder could have about you. Me na really take it so serious. Cause I know people have their up moments and then down moments. But me did kind of watch to see how I go along with him. Anyways, now me dear children, so the Mr. Kemar him now come out what dear. Me no know how the sister Tory go, but the sister Tory like something dig up somewhere, you understand? And the Mr. Kemar him now did have a come out. So maybe about a week or a week and a half after him come out now, we see the Mr. Omar man him now come out with the same sister Tory say him attack for him part. Anyways, me never really take much of it. You understand me, my loves? I never really take much of it now. So till in our day now, we see him come out now. You know, like him a give a pity story. Cause me da wonder if a pity him come out or sorry for me no know but him come out now I give one story and him a make we know say, he was betrayed. You understand me, love? He was betrayed. and he homeless. And the baby where the whole we did I expect the baby now but I come me love so me I say but I know but how this say ya so and so. Then imagine we sit down and wait for year about baby and now we are going here say no baby then our kind of disappointment this year. And I think one of the time where he say I remember if him say he will be going to police school, me love, I remember police school, something like that so. Anyways, now me dear children now after him do that live then now and come out with the pity story them are sitting. Hey, Mr. Majesty man him now me love see him. And the other one Hakim. Them ain't go live me dear children and them a address the story now them a talk about it but I never listen the whole light. You understand me? So me no know if the Mr. Majesty man did over there. I ask him to come apologize to him. You understand me love but after that, now me see what one post put up over there now pertaining to sitting on that. I don't remember how it go, but it's like I said now, him now apologize to nobody that over for Mr. Omar yard no me loves. Him put up one post over there say him not apologizing to nobody because I straight him say something like I so yes, but I feel exactly so he go me love. He near goes about him say him not apologize to nobody for a straight him say. Him never mention nobody name in the post. You understand me loves? Him never mention anybody name, but somehow no Mr. Majesty feel like I say, him the post go for. And him take to him platform me there and him start address it because him I say him never beg him for no apology. You understand me loves? And him say that post now it kinda looks suspicious because him I say I know him write that they post there for him can't read and him can't spell and him can't construct sentences like that much less we go construct a post like that well punctuated with a comma them or something. I look into it and I say, but no man, this look suspicious. I know him write it. Maybe the woman write it, so maybe him and the woman no left. Them still they together. You understand me, my dear children? So I basically that now Mr. Majesty did over there I say with a few little more sentiment loves. But him did a question the post time I say something no look right. Something look fishy. My dear loves no dog never has 7 puppy. Dog never have 7 puppy. I don't know how the 13 name mix up in it. Me love me don't know that part there. I don't know that part there, but my dear children, dog never have 7 puppy good. You know the Mr. Omar man know him come out pan a life, me love cross hungry and miserable like a bounty killer, my dear children. And a blaze fire hotel like a Capleton, one piece of centi, my dear. Me loves I say one piece of something. Him galang with over he cuss out 13, tell 13 about dirty thinking, foot and all kind of something, me loves. And in dog out Mr. Majesty, but when him a dog out the Mr. Majesty man, no, man him no, he not call no name, him a fling shades, but everybody knows say the Mr. Majesty man him a refer to. And he cuss them, me love, and he cuss them. Him say if he come out time, business and allow him to fucking us span himself. Me love, do ask me what fucking us mean. I don't want never hear that the word there from me, but I force me I hear it. So is either I'm not gonna ask Google or I'm not gonna search on a dictionary. Don't ask me because I don't know. But him tell themself he leave him alone because him fucking us in pan himself at this moment. And they follow him business. Him say him no want no forgiveness from nobody, no want no forgiveness from none of them, me love. Him say I dead before this and I no forgiveness. So when me hear my galang, so me I say but wait, then I what cause all of this here? How what cause all of this here for just what they come out with pity and people are sorry for him and sitting. Then I what cause all this now? If you come out here with your business, people are gonna chat to you, sir. Yes, no, me love. So when him a do that live, then I wanna cuss and galang, you know, the life go cut off. The life cut off, me love. So shortly after now him come back, I say them a report the life. So when him come back now, him start over another life now, you know me loves. Hannah I touch synth on his screen. Me no know kind I say he live a freeze up him na in a show good pa for him hen. So him a touch me there say him a unmute it. Me loves. In the process of the unmuting now, me dear children, no know what galang. Me love this bigger than we. In the process of the unmuting, no, me love him a press it. I don't know if it happen by accident, me love or him wishfully do it because he want to rub in something in our face out here. I don't know, but he look away to me, Because me I say if such a accident happened, you would have hurry up and delete it, but it's still up there. Anyway, so as I was saying, no, me know, when him did a touch a galang now, say him a go unmute the live. We don't know what happened. Me mama kaka fat. Me love the camera go switch. The switch when the camera switch, me love we see one teddy bear hitch up in a one corner look like a brother dog. Anyway, me nena make much of it, me love, me nena make much of it. Me nena pay attention to background like us. So me dey just want to hear where him have to say, me love, then who no know say the private investigator them and the social media detective them instantly jump on the case, baba. Hey, me granny back foot, me love, only fi find out now say a Kemar yard in there. Me loves one piece of sitting out here, one piece of sitting out here, me love. So after that, now you know all kind of little bits and pieces are put together. All of the little puzzle them are put together now. So the people them now start realizing him not just got Kemar yard, him there Kemar yard for a while now. But they may want to be under hush, them in a hidey. Well, Kemar did a hidey because obviously you know Mr. Omar did what everybody fi know. That's why he make the camera switch me loves. So Kemar never want a soul fin know me dear children. So after that now he put up one post that the Mr. Kemar him now you know me love. Put up one post him now come back out here come address nothing. Anyways, now me dear children, eventually him come out because you know the talking now stop everybody a come together now. So now if you balaka say now when him come out here now you know me love. He may not come for the night. Yes, he may not the night as a matter of fact. He may not the night, but you know him a tangle up himself. Me love my tangle up himself. And you know the people them in the comment section nah give no chance. So him never have no other choice, me love, but we confess say yes. Mr. Omar, there I'm yard, me dear children. Oh no, hear ya, me love. Beloveds, him never had no choice, me love. Him never had no other choice but to come confess now. Say, the Mr. Omar man, they home with him, baba. So everybody know what say then gone back together, then gone, then me love the fire tick, then catch up back. But my dear children, you know me already, say me just out here to spread the gospel. We carry the Tory con, you know, cause we not business with nobody business. Where people want to do in their life, we not two business, me love. Me just come to spread the gospel, you know, me love. So, you know, one piece of something I got lang, you know, me love, you know, cool down there, so, you know, hush. Because when Mr. Majesty find out now, him never please, you understand him, say him feel betrayed. With the Mr. Hakim man, you know me love. I don't know what we say with the Mr. Hakim man because the Mr. Hakim man, you know, suspicious. Like him know say something in a galang and him in a play a lot. Me don't know about me can't put my finger upon the Mr. Hakim man. Something with the Mr. Hakim man. Me feel to myself, say him know say something in a galang. You understand? But I don't know. Me can move past that the part they know me loves. So after now, the Mr. Omar man, him know me dear children, him, you know, him confess and say yes, him I say, him not stay there with him, I just half a evening him there, he was not even there for the whole day. And him come with one long, me love, hell of an explanation when I make no sense. Now make and blast it sense, me love. Him a talk about documents where they have it signed together. And you know, whole heap of has dead comfort and jackass maga. Rubbish. Me not even remember where me not say me love because I'm here hear a rubbish there. So rubbish. Excuses. And him a try to explain and justify why Mr. Omar man is there. But me I say no. The two of you is two grown horse man, two long seed bag man. If you no left, how want go back? Me no see where you have to come out here and tell lies, sir. If you want back your tailpipe, you want back your tailpipe. You understand? If you want back your tool loose, you want back your tool loose. From me the children between me and you, from the whole same thing I come out now, you know. How me I listen him and lift up a little frat tail the other day and I flip up. Me don't want him back, but I go back down that there. Me say no, he want him back. He want him back and he shall take him back. That not convincing me. I am not convinced. So me did pick up my love, say them communicating. Yes, I did pick up, say them communicating because I say something not right. How Mr. Kemar man, I respond something not right. But I never went no say the man the back kind yard. But as I was saying, no, you are two grown ass individual who no need to come out here and explain nothing. Well, me then go say no come explain because are the people they help on out. You understand? People help on out and take on out certain things. Who know seems like I say who know I live little life now. So at least you know might owe them little explanation. But you know have you come with them the whole heap of lies they sir? All of them the lies they not necessary, you know. I know you are the first. I know you are the first, you know, and whole heap of woman left man and go back up. Some of them the worst that way Omar do to you and then take them back. So if you want back your little body, that are for your business, are for you and your body business. So when you come out now, you understand me and you give, you know, explanation and a tangle up yourself. You just look make yourself look stupid. You no need for a beat run no bush, sir. You pay your own bills, you should your own key. You understand? So me not see the reason for the lies. If you want the man there, you want him there. Are you still a tell lie, Mr. Kemar? You're still telling lies because you know the man there who am with you. You know there who am with you. Remember, you know you say enough uno go through together and the two will come from four. So if you want give your man a second chance, no big deal, no in that. Me understand say you no want keep certain things off of social media, but then it hard because once you start out your business out your past social media master, it can't come off again. You have to continue it pan it. It can't come off. So if you don't want to avoid the social media, you no just have to not put nothing out your pan the social media. Because nosy people like myself I go on fast in our no business. You understand? People like me we are go on fast. And me understand say you know maybe you shame in yourself, you feel a way because you know say you know the backlash where go come cause people are go say this and people are go say that. So you just want to keep it. So you feel a way about so you think that once it start with lies, it a go end with lies, master. So might as well you just come clean with the truth. Because when you tell lie today, you know, tomorrow you know remember how the lie go, you know. You do remember how the lie go, so you come tell another lie and give away yourself. So might as well you just start the truth. Go to Chris as you call him Daddy Chris, you know say, right? I mean no Chris a man him would understand. Because Chris supposed to understand relationship. Well, if they want to come call you fool or idiot and chop it off of that, it's on them. At the end of the day, you know say you come clean. We know you love him. We see say you love him because me used to watch the nice little housewife role where you play at home. We see say you love him. But on the other hand, we can't speak for him. We don't know if him love you. But we see say you would have ride hard for him. So if you want to take back your man, I know fi none of we business, but we just are gonna make it be we business. Hence the reason now you know me love in the video me do the other day. I say Mr. Majesty, it would have best Mr. Majesty if you sit that one your out, you know. Sit that one your out and don't get entangled in a woman, her man, her fear, her man, her fear. Because at the end of the day, after them pop up and separated, you know, you have one where I go sit down, and especially the one where I love the hardest, I go sit down and I go wait and I say eventually one day he will come back and that the one day shall not be moved. That one day shall stay planted like the trees by the rivers of waters, waiting patiently till the one we're gonna astray come back. You understand, Mr. Majesty? And no matter when no counselor, when nobody ha go come cause say anything you know I tell that they one day it a go 3 years like a water through pipe. Him a hear but him not listen because him sit down and wait patiently from the one we gone we astray to come back. He not let go so easy. He not go move on so easy. So when you didn't know claim say you play the counsel role, I try to counsel him, how you got time to move on with your life. It is not worth it. He does not deserve you. He not listen none of that. Nah, listen none of that. And eventually now with the one when him stray away and gone, him got the road and he meet him demise or anything happen, him a go return right back to the one where they are yard where it sit down and wait patiently. How you see Mr. Majesty? Mr. Majesty, you see when them go do that, them make up sin thing there. That them make up dugu mens, them Mr. Majesty. And them done. And them lie down and rest and cold with the two of them head palm pillar and them began to chat your Mr. Majesty. Automatically you are going to become the enemy. Remember how good you ain't try do you know? I help you and I help you and I help you heal. But you're going to automatically become the enemy and the two of them are going to despise you, Mr. Majesty. That is the reason why I was telling you the other day, Mr. Majesty, sit that one your heart, but Mr. Majesty, you don't listen to me, you never listen to me, Mr. Majesty. And in now go tap your so. In now go tap your so more bangarang ha go kick up. So sometimes when you see woman and man I go through them little problem and trials and tribulation in their relationship, might as well I better just let them make them deal with their issue by themselves. No get involved. For at the end of the day, everything can turn round backfire upon you. And only good you did mean. So sometimes you have to left them and make them back out there city by themselves, my love. And Mr. Omar, you, sir, one little word of advice to you. If you remember where you're coming from, Omar. Remember where you're coming from. And remember the people them who did it for you. Some of them might have turned them back by you know, but remember say at one point them did it for you. And if people are come out now wanna speak and I speak against you, because of what you do to Kemar. You understand? In a life, the thing is, I know what you do, but how you do it, bad to bad, man, bad to bad. If you're not move on, you could have do so respectfully. That brawl and that holy part disgrace, they never have it out here. And when you're gone past fear, Mary, we not enjoy yourself, him out here in a stress and depression, a ball night and day. He ain't come out because sometimes he do even be it. So you put him through enough. Mr. Omar, you put him through enough. So the least you could have do, come out here, can't take accountability for your actions. Humble yourself. You just come out here, dog out everybody, so I dog out everybody. So, like you want people to welcome you back with open arms. You feel humble yourself, Mr. Omar, man, humble yourself. You might not need them, the people there again, but one day you might need them. One day you might need them again, just like how you end up and need Kemar now. The same people them where you cuss out now, they were once beneficial to you. So when they look and see how you dish him the dirt, you understand how you gone by your mirror where you enjoy yourself. We don't know where you meet up in out there, we don't know what reach you. But obviously you need Kemar's help now and him no back for you, he might help you, he might stand up back in your corner. Cause we no matter where I go come out, you can't say no, him just a say it for social media because I want people look at him like idiot. Him just a say it for social media. But we know say him a go stand up back in your corner. So people are look on them something there because them a say, genuine. Or as you say, genuine, because you may hear pronounce the word genuine. But people are saying that you are not genuine, you're dishonest. And you can't be trusted. So them feel like I say you come back and use poor Kemar again and then fling him way back to the curb. So hence the reason why so much people are come out against you. Because them know Kemar love you and them just feel like I say, yeah, take disadvantage of him. And them know why you put him back through where you put him in before. Them are look out for him best interest. You understand? So Mr. Omar, man, humble yourself, man, humble yourself. When you come out here and dog out people, you only are make it look bad for you. And you only are set up yourself for disaster in at the end. So you need to take responsibility and take accountability and humble and bill. You understand me, sir? Anyways, my love, anyways, thank you all for tuning in. We've come to the end of another video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself, and I will see you all in another video. Peace out, much love. See you later. Bye-bye.